Rabbits, birds and squirrels, they all visit my feeding station, though the building is under construction. June 17, 2026. I don't often see a rabbit out my window, but the other morning when I looked out at 7 o'clock, there was a cottontail rabbit eating grass. But as you watch closely, you'll see it picks out mostly leafy stuff like dandelion leaves. I sort of think this might be a young bunny because of its speckled fur, but I don't really know. I like that red patch behind its ears on its neck. It really likes those dandelion leaves. Maybe those people who don't like dandelions should recruit all the cottontail rabbits to eat them up. But I'm not sure how you're going to stop them from going into the garden and also eating the lettuce when the dandelion is all gone. Young sparrows and a squirrel. How do I know they're young? Just watch them crowd onto the feeder 3 at a time. 2 on 1 perch. I've never seen the adults do that. But here's the proof. See those gape flanges on the side of its bill. Gape flanges remaining at the sides of the beak from its days as a hatchling indicate that this sparrow was hatched this spring. The gape flanges show exceptionally well on these bulbuls. That's these little brown birds. I got that picture from the internet. Moving over to the right, soft gape flanges of the hatchling on the left, and on the right is the hardened bill of the adult female sparrow. So that's how to tell young birds from adults. And here's the squirrel. See it behind the plants. I circled it in red so you can find it easily. The easiest to see is that big bushy tail. It stays a while and then it goes away. But what I was really photographing was the birds, the sparrows that come down off the feeder into the plants. So I'm going to play that part again to show you the birds. They're kind of hard to see in the plants, but they're there. Thanks for watching Natural Observations. See you next time.